Ayubowan, I am Anoma. Welcome to my kitchen. Before we start, I like to explain the word I used before. Ayubowan is the word we use to greet people. It means, may you have a long life. Now you know the meaning of Ayubowan. Now, in this first episode, I will show you the ingredients we use for Sri Lankan cooking. These are the spices: turmeric, curry powder, chili powder, roasted curry powder, roasted chili powder, salt, sea salt, chili flakes, cinnamon, fenugreek seeds, pepper, cloves, cardamoms. These are the herbs we use for Sri Lankan cooking. This is curry leaves and this is pandan leaves. These are my favorite and they are from my garden. In Sinhalese, we call this karapincha and this is rampe. These give flavor and a lovely aroma to curries. Here in Sri Lanka, these are must-have ingredients. But I know that you can't find these in your country, but it's okay. Even without them, you can still make a tasty curry. These are red onions. These are green chilies. In Sinhalese, we call this ratulunu, but I know you call this shallots. Red onions and green chilies are also a must to every curry. This is goraka. The scientific name of goraka is Garcinia, and these are tamarind. These give tangy flavor to the curries. These big onions are used for stir frying. Garlic, ginger, Maldive fish, tomato, lime are also important ingredients. Do you know that the coconut is used in many ways in Sri Lankan cooking? For example, coconut oil, coconut vinegar, coconut milk, and also scraped coconut. Now I am going to introduce the type of curries. There are three types of curries. One is white or yellow curry, red curry, and the black curry. To make white curry, we use these ingredients: turmeric, unroasted curry powder, sometimes pepper, cinnamon, fenugreek seeds, salt, coconut milk, garlic, pandan leaves, curry leaves, red onions, green chilies. Examples for white curries are white pumpkin curry, potato curry, white fish curry, coconut milk curry. There are so many curries like that. These are the ingredients for red curry: chili powder, turmeric, unroasted curry powder, fenugreek seeds, pepper powder, sea salt, coconut milk, goraka and tamarind, sometimes both, pandan leaves, curry leaves, tomato, garlic, red onion, and green chilies. Example for red curry is fish curry. These are the ingredients for black curry: roasted curry powder, roasted chili powder, and this is special one, ground roasted rice and scraped coconut, sea salt, coconut milk, sometimes coconut milk or water, cloves, cardamoms, turmeric, pepper, fenugreek, green chilies, red onions, garlic, ginger, curry leaves, pandan leaves, and tamarind. To make black curry, we roast curry powder, we roast chili powder, we roast everything. So you get the roasted flavor in black curries. For example, mostly meat curries, chicken curry, pork curry, beef curry. For the meat curries, we use roasted curry powder and the chili powder. Now I think you have got a rough idea about the ingredients of Sri Lankan cooking. Sometimes it will be very hard to find these ingredients in your normal supermarket, but you might find these in Asian grocery stores or especially in South Asian stores. So join me next time where I will show you how to make a tasty curry with love.